Two kinds of real estate brokers exist right now, not the ones who have a license and the ones who don't. Something more specific. And if you're considering a move from Greenwich, Boston, the Upper East Side, or Chicago's North Shore, this distinction matters to you directly. The National Association of Realtors put AI adoption among agents at 68% in 2025. A separate survey this February found 82%. Nearly every agent owns the tool, bought the subscription, has the login, and 46% of them, nearly half, reported no noticeable impact on their work. That tells you everything. A tool acquired is not a practice transformed. The divide isn't between agents who use artificial intelligence and agents who refuse it. It's between agents who layered a new application onto an old workflow and agents who rebuilt the work around what modern tools make possible. I'm Bryk, co-founding principal of Vero Premier Properties, the signature division of Coldwell Banker Global Luxury on the Vero Beach barrier island. My partner is Vance Brinkerhoff. We represent buyers relocating from those markets, people sophisticated about finance, about property, and about the quality of their representation. Here is what rebuilt looks like. We are the only brokerage within roughly 100 miles of this barrier island operating a proprietary mobile application. When a home comes to market on Johns Island, Orchid Island, Sea Oaks, or Grand Harbor, the buyer who has been searching for 8 months knows before the open house is on the calendar. In a market where 62.7% of transactions close in all cash, that interval is frequently the entire contest. The fax machine did not retire. In too much of the industry, it simply went unrepealed. Manual follow-up, delayed confirmations, paperwork moving at the speed of an office rather than a market. That's not quaint from the buyer's side of the table. It is friction. In a cash market, friction is measured in lost homes. We removed it on purpose. Precision matters here. A mobile application cannot read a club community's unwritten culture. Artificial intelligence cannot tell you which seller will negotiate and which will not. It cannot sit across from a family relocating from Wellesley or Winnetka and translate 18 years on this island into a decision they can trust. It was never meant to. What it does is return the hours. A luxury purchase here often unfolds across 6 to 18 months, remote conversations, multiple visits, a search built on patience. The agent doing that work manually spends the day on tasks software handles in the background. We inverted that. The machine sustains the search. The principles bring the judgment. For anyone evaluating this market seriously, the conversation has to include the arithmetic. Florida carries no state income tax, no tax on wages, capital gains, or retirement income. The homestead property tax runs roughly 1% protected by the Save Our Homes cap. No state estate tax. For a household leaving Connecticut, Massachusetts, or Illinois, the structural advantage of Florida residency frequently outweighs the purchase price. Our financial concierge desk models that before a client decides, not after. One point of precision, HJR 1-F, a constitutional amendment expanding homestead protections, passed the Florida legislature June 2nd of this year. It requires 60% voter approval in November 2026 and contemplates a December 31st, 2026 residency consideration, pending not settled law. If your domicile timing connects to that amendment, confirm the specifics with a qualified tax advisor. Barrier Island luxury here is priced approximately 66% below comparable Naples luxury. Oceanfront and intracoastal homes, club communities, the same all-cash buyer profile, at a fraction of the cost. That gap exists because this market is still being discovered by the buyers it was built for. We hold a RealTrends top 1.5% national ranking, more than $1.2 billion in career sales across 2,000 transactions. Apple News recognized us among Florida's top 10 most trusted realtors in 2025. The exclusive Cleveland Clinic Preferred Physician Realtors designation in Indian River County. 60 global markets. International Luxury Alliance, not as promotion, as evidence that the infrastructure is real and the representation is built for buyers who know the difference between a firm that has genuinely modernized and one performing the gestures of it. The application is in the Apple App Store, FloridaEastCoastLuxuryHomes.com. My direct line is 77271394455, or call Vance at 7729133426, or visit FloridaEastCoastLuxuryHomes.com. The home you've been waiting for moves when it moves. The question is whether your representation is ready, is